Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can earn money from Fiverr affiliate. Fiverr affiliate is a freelance best easy way for earning as a beginner. So I'll show you how you can earn money from Fiverr affiliate. In this video, please no, don't skip this video. I'll show you how you can easily earn money. No skill needed, no experience needed. Everything I'll show you how you can earn money from Fiverr affiliate. You know, Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace. Fiverr have so many ways earning from Fiverr. So I'll show you today how you can earn money from Fiverr affiliate. This is my affiliate commission 5,000 plus. Last 3 years I'm working on Fiverr affiliate. You can see every month I earning from Fiverr affiliate, so much earning from there. So I'll show you how you can earn money from there. So first of all you have to understand what is Fiverr affiliate. Fiverr affiliate is a best way we will promote. You know, Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace, so they have so many service. We will promote this service on place. Then Fiverr affiliate give a commission from anyone take service from using our links. Then we will get a commission. So I hope you understand. You don't know how it is. I will show you this video. Then you will understand everything. So first we have to create a Fiverr affiliate link. I will add this Fiverr affiliate link on my description below. You can use my link. So first of all you have to join Fiverr. So there I'll add this link. You will find this page on my description. So when you will go, then you will give your email, first name, last name, email address, username, password. Then you will account type private. You will use private. Then you will what they will ask you, do you have main traffic source? Then you will give your YouTube channel or Facebook page, anything you can use, no problem, or any website you can use. Then which country from you and English, and you can this. Then next, then you will create your account. When you will create account, just basic, then they will show you on this page. You don't have anything. This page is zero, impression zero, CTR zero, everything you will your profile have, everything is zero. So I'll show you how we will promote on Fiverr. I'll add skip basic thing. So this Fiverr, like, then we'll go graphic design. Then we go logo design. We will promote on Fiverr only logo design today. Then like we will take this link. This is Fiverr logo design. Then we will go on Fiverr affiliate. This is Fiverr affiliate. We take link on Fiverr. We will promote logo design gig on Fiverr. So then we will come in there on Fiverr affiliate. Then we will click marketing tools. Marketing tools. Then we will click diff and diff links. Diff. Now we click diff link. Then we paste here. Then save. This is our Fiverr affiliate link. This is our affiliate code. Our profile affiliate code. Then we will promote this link. We take this link on Fiverr. Where we can promote. I will promote on Pinterest. You know, Pinterest is best social media for promote anything. So I will promote where on. We will promote on there. So first of all, how we can promote on Pinterest. So first of all, we will create a boot. We promote this is creative vintage logo art. So first of all, we take this image for promote. We take this image. We take this one screenshot. Then we save. I show you just basic. Oh, you don't know. I will help you. So we create first a boot for logo design. How we can do. I everything show you. Like we create a logo design boot. Then we done. We will create a pin. Then I will show you this image. You know, we take a image. Yes, this is this image, Fiverr gig image. This we take from Fiverr profile. They have so many images. You will take screenshot everything. Like you take one logo, this one, then take this one, like take everything. You will take a screenshot. Then we will copy this link and add this image and give title and take like description and coming there and there. Then this is important. We will use a link. Which link? We will take Fiverr affiliate link. Where we can find this link? We take link on Fiverr. Like this link we take and we use deep link. Fiverr deep link. We paste this link. There are showing our affiliate link. This in our affiliate link. We take copy. Then we will use this. You can see there are our affiliate link. We will use this link on our. Then we give you a tag logo. Yes, we'll use some tag for suggestion. Minimal logo. You have there. They have so many logo design. They have so many logo design tag. We will use this. Then we can publish. So this way you will pin every day 10, 20, 30 pin, and after 1 month, 2 months, you will get commission from there. I understand. I hope you understand. I will add this link on so much every day. So I'll show you next another one how to do Pinterest pin like this way. How you can another I take another screenshot for you. So first we take another one image. I'll show you again for you understand properly. Then we take logo and we add this in title and we take description, like we take description, then we add description. You can do anything and you can use ChatGPT. Every day you will do the 10, 20, 30 then you will get every 1 month or 2 month you can do same way. You will get commission for you. Then use Fiverr affiliate link, then use tag like logo. When you write logo, they will show you so much tag like logo design trend and logo, Batman logo, everything. You will get personal logo. Then you can use 3 4 in it. Then we will publish. So every way, this way you can promote Fiverr any service like graphic design, programming. They have graphic design, website design, app design, UX design, book cover design, then or digital marketing, search engine, any types of category you can show, you can promote on Pinterest. They have so many traffic. You can see my account. I promote so much option. Then like I promote logo design, Instagram, Shopify expert, YouTube growth, any types of category I promote on Pinterest. So then I get Fiverr affiliate commission from there. So I hope you understand. I will add this video. If it will help you, please like, share and subscribe our video. I will full next video. I will complete Fiverr affiliate dashboard details, how commission you will get, how many how you can earn money from Fiverr affiliate, and another way I will show you for you. So this video will help you. Please like, share and subscribe our video. I will add this link on my description below for create Fiverr affiliate account. You can create your account. So if you face any problem or any hesitate, please like, comment our section. I will make video for next you. I will show you next make money online video for easy way for you. Thank you so much.